What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I'm going to be doing another cooking video for you today, and what I'm going to show you how to make is pretty easy. I'm going to show you how to make pretzels, soft pretzels to be specific. Anyway, let's go over the ingredients. So to make pretzels, you're going to need some dough, preferably bread dough. You'll also need an egg, and you'll need some baking soda. And if you want to know how to make dough from scratch, please refer back to my cooking video from back in 2016 when I made a calzone. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you're going to take a cutting board and you're going to lube it with some oil, preferably cooking oil. Like, pour some onto a napkin and rub the entire cutting board. Then you're going to take your dough out and you're going to cut it into 8 pieces and roll them out into thin ropes. This is how the pretzel should look like. It's not my best job, but it'll have to do. Next, you're gonna fill a pot full of water, and you're gonna pour 2/3 of a cup of baking soda into the pot and let it boil. Now that our baking soda water is boiling, you're gonna put the pretzel in the baking soda water and let it boil for 30 seconds on each side. Then you're gonna transfer them to the cookie sheet. Another thing you're noting when you boil baking soda water for the pretzels is to be careful. In fact, only bake one at a time, then carefully transfer it to the cookie sheet. Alright, and then after you're done transferring to the cookie sheet, you're going to sprinkle them with egg wash and you're going to cover them in salt. Okay, now now that your oven's been preheated at 450, you're going to put this in the oven and you're going to let your pretzels bake for about 12 minutes. Alright, time's up. I'm going to pull these out of the oven and turn off the oven, and I'll transfer them to a plate and sample one. Alright, so this is how the final product should look like, so I'm going to sample one. We got a heck of a lot better than I thought. Kind of a little thick because of the baking soda, but overall it's pretty good. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. This is how to make pretzels, and I'll see you next time.